Alright, so this is gonna be my first video. I'm gonna be making just random videos on fixes that I come across while owning this dang Jeep. So today's project is gonna be this O2 sensor. I think it's the Bank 2 sensor 2, located right behind the cats here. Alright, so a little bit about my Jeep. Let me get out of here. It's an 01 Sahara 5-speed. I've had it for about a year and a half now. I just installed these not too long ago. That was a pain in the butt. .31s, buckshot 2 tires. Alright, back to business. So to do this job, you just need a regular socket set and one of these handy dandy O2 sensor puller. There's an open end right here for your wires. And yeah, that's about it. So let's see. Normally you probably should put some penetrating oil on this, let it sit for a while, because since it's located under the Jeep, it's dealing with a lot of harsh elements, and yeah, they can be a pain to get off. So hopefully I won't have an issue, because I put this extender on not too long ago. So we'll see what happens. Here we go.
Woke up, tryna grab my phone book. Gotta call my boy, but my head feels like it hit a tow truck. But so what? Living life in a fast lane, toe up. Tryna eat my toast, but I had so many drinks I'm throwing up. Hit the school with Fova, one rolling up that dozer. Then we open doors up, smoke coming out the rover. Always celebrities, man, everybody knows us. Teacher asked why I smell like smoke, because we just told her.
What happens? Alright, and then I want to see if I can get my flash going in this video. Oh, nope, I can't. But if you trace the wire all the way back, the connector is pretty much on the very top of the transmission right there. So, let's see if I can unclip it. Can't even see nothing. Oh, got it off. Finally. Alright, so here's the old one. I was struggling because I didn't realize there's this red clip in here that you gotta push back or pull back. See, you gotta pull it back. Try to do this one hand here. Pull it back, and then you press down. Then give it all tug-a-roo. And there she goes. And the reason why it confused me is that this new one I got, it does not have that red clip. So I was just basing it off of, you know, this new one, trying to guess. So most of these, make sure you remove the covering on there. Pretty much common sense, but most of these will have anti-seize already on it, as you can tell. So if you don't have that, I'd suggest getting some and put around the threads here, and so it will help you next time you go and pull this thing off. It won't be too much of a pain. So here we go, install. There we go. I just have it on just snug. Oh, let's see if I can get this dang thing off. And that's all, folks. O2 sensor replacement. Really not that long of a job, maybe 10 minutes. That's if you don't have trouble getting the old sensor out. There we go. So let me know how this video is. Give me feedbacks, and hopefully I'll be making more videos of fixes and shenanigans. So thanks for watching.